Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shireen from Glojas. Today I'll be speaking about certain steps taken as health professionals at our clinic to curb the spread of Covid-19 in accordance with the standard operating procedure provided by the Ministry of Health Malaysia. Step 1. Ensure your temperature is scanned. Step 2. Ensure to scan the QR code on your MySejahtera app. Step 3. Ensure to wear your mask at all times. Step 4. We ensure our attending staff is fully suited to create a safe environment for all. Step 5. We comply with the 3 C's given by the Ministry of Health Malaysia. We avoid crowded spaces, confined spaces and close contact. Do not fear, your safety is our responsibility. Do visit us at Glojas for your treatments and always remember, Glojas brings out the best in you.